Always looking unto Jesus. I will not look at sickness. I will not look at depression. I will not look at enemies. I have escaped from their hands. Now I'm looking unto Jesus, the author and the finisher of my faith, Savior, Shepherd, Supplier, the lifter up of my head. He has invited me to come. I come. Now I have rest. The restoration I've not seen for years. Now I have restoration. I have peace. My heart is at peace. My soul is restored. My family is restored. Rest. If you couldn't sleep before tonight, you will sleep like a baby. Rest has come.